libre, one go. Baseball pass. Antonio. Padoy, minekos sa taas. To the wings. Goes to the baseline. Release. Yes, sir. He attacks his spins. Lace. Basket and one. Beautiful move. Number one, inside pass. The floater shot. Yes, sir. Ramos. Welcome to Rusak, Pangasinan Intertown 2024. First Urdaneta, first block. Antonio to the middle, spins, inside pass, the bounce pass, recover, the floater, no good, rebound, Ramos put back it, long pass, and straight to the hoops, bucket for two, up by two. And it's stolen. And no look pass. Antonio, easy to inbound. Here's number 5.
Number 6.
Side step to the middle, the floater, bucket. Ramos.
Number 14, Dalangin.
And number 14, base low. Bucket of the De La Cruz. Season Harry goes to the rim.
Pass to number
and picks to the baseline, the floater, bucket by De La Cruz. Antonio, sisinyas ito ng uno. Number 14, Dalangin to Antonio. And to the corner, ang ganda namang ikot nun. Libreng-libre, bang! Bautista, ball is stolen, pass break. Antonio, easy to De La Cruz. At the top,
De La Cruz, pass
to the wings, goes to the rim, lace, libreng-libre, one go, baseball pass, Antonio, lumipad, uy, minekos sa taas, bakit? Cruz dribbling the ball, he is stopped, looking for receiver, Castillo, Euro step, floater, no good, tips in, wala pa rin, recover, De La Cruz, floater again, yes sir,
De La Cruz, pass break again,
and ball, recover, Antonio, pass of the window, Antonio, bagat, De La Cruz, inside pass, ball stolen away, number 9, lace, bagat, easy to, Antonio, setting the play, pass to number 14, Dalangin to Antonio, bounce pass inside, hook pass inside, off the window, bagat, and number 24 to De La Cruz, to the wings, goes to the baseline, release, yes sir. Antonio to Manzano to Antonio, inside pass, stolen, Puño, and stolen away, and here's Antonio, lead, go fire, bucket for two, man. De La Cruz lost the ball, recover, stop, open for three, bang, nothing but Antonio. Pass to the corner, left alone for three, bang, the answer, and the long pass, the love pass and the finish, Dalangin, Antonio to Dalangin, Dalangin pass to Manzano to Antonio, picks, drive, spins, picks again, to the middle, fix again, spins, hook shot, bucket, the friendly roll, and a pass break, Ramos, easy to with the receive.
Number 22, Cortel,
pass back Cortel. Number 1, cross pass, fakes, Ramos, crossover, spins, kicks out to the wings, goes to the screen, Pinoy step, hook shot, Puto strong. Quinto, straight to the hoops, kinaliwa, pa easy to. Number 1. Buano to number 12 to Quinto. Bounce pass to the middle, open for 3, launch, bang! Cortel. He goes to the middle, to the wings. Pass back. And cross pass. Number 1, inside pass, the floater shot, yes sir, Ramos. His team Urdaneta. Bono, he passed to number 23, bounce pass to Quinto. Posting up, lumipat, uy. The inbound for team Bautista, pull up J, too strong. And there's number 1, all alone, easy to Ramos. He passed to number 20 to Cortel. Cortel against number 12.
Cortel
Pass to number 1.
Frias.
Stop. Open.
Fires.
Long 3. Bang! That. Pass to number
Pass to
29.
number 23.
23.
To
To
Valdez.
number 12. Valdez.
Valdez,
Goes inside to the rim. Basket and 1. And dribble. Pass to the
Frias,
middle.
pass to Torio. Ayun na si Torio.
Spins. Kicks
To
out.
Cortel.
Dalabas. Uy!
Number 22, Cortel.
Number
Ayun na si
22, Cortel. Binit-bitli. Yes, sir. Cortel. Here's Cortel. High pass to number 1. Prias. Inside pass. No look pass. Inside pass.
Inside pass.
Pull up J. Bucket. Bono.
Bono.
Crossover. Lumusot. Lays. Oop.
Oh, good.
And a pass break. De La Cruz. Easy to. And he pass sa 3. Bang! Torio 3. Moving down. He pass to number 20. To number 10. Fernandez to the middle. Pio Quinto. And he pass. Ball is stolen. Pass break. And 2-on-1. Pigs, clutch, lace. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Putback shot na gulangan. Baseball pass. No look pass. Lace. Tumipad. Bucket for 2. And number 1. He pass to number 9. Number 24, 3, short, rebound, long pass, De La Cruz, easy to,
Pass to Pio Quinto.
Pio Quinto, attacks to the rim, lace, too strong, rebound, put back, easy to,
For 2. Pass break to Bono.
Bono, against De La Cruz, spins, lace, too strong, the rebound, and the follow-up shot. Luzano goes to the screen. Again the screen. To the middle. Kicks out. Open for 3. Bang! Bono! End of the here's Tim Bautista. Number 0. Castillo. High pass to number 22. Pull up J at the baseline. Bulls. Sharing the play. He passed to number 26. Man.
14 seconds to shoot.
Pass back.
On screen.
He attacks his spins, lace, basket and 1. Beautiful move. Antonio. Manzano. Easy bucket, Manzano.
Cortel. Pass to number 24.
Here's Cortel.
Cortel to Junio. Junio attacks.
Spins, picks, fires. Very
No
good.
good. Dizon for the rebound. Pass break. Antonio.
Bounce pass. And nauna na lace, kinalawa pa. Dalang. And here's number Antonio. Inside pass. Reverse layup.
Pass to Antonio. Ayan si
Antonio.
Time out.
Rondo signature. Bucket for 2.
By number
Pio
9,
Quinto.
Pio Quinto. Nagdadala ng bola.
Kento to the rim. Sinausaw. Possession for Team Ordaneta. Bounce pass.
Pio Quinto. Pass to number
Pass.
25. Antonio.
To the middle. Oop. Stop
Dalangin
wide
wide
open for
open
3.
three.
Bang! And the pass. Pass back.
Pass
Uy,
to
pinagawan.
And si Manzano
And
nagmamadali.
Manzano to the rim. Easy bucket.
Castillo.
And Castillo. Pinoy step to the corner. Pull up. Yes, sir.
Easy
Bucket.
basket by Torio. Number 25. Antonio
And
pass
it's
to
number
Manzano.
6. Ball stolen. And baseball
Pass
pass.
to
Torio. Easy bucket. Binabitin pa. And Dalangin. Sa 3.
Dalangin fires.
Bang! Dalangin. And number 26.
To number 9.
Dumakdak na. 22. Cortel.
Number 22.
Hook
Cortel.
pass inside. Pass back.
Malik.
Inside.
Pass to Torio.
Torio spins.
Torio. 10
Kicks
seconds to
out
shoot.
for
Ramos.
3.
Jump shot.
Bang!
Rebound.
Ramos.
And
Pass to number 14
Dalangin
for 3.
fires. No good.
Stop speaks. Ipas.
Dalangin pass.
Oops,
to Manzano.
open.
Fakes.
Itaks.
Manzano drives.
Pinabitin. Oh! Bono spins.
Ang gandang ikot. Fake.
And floater. Bucket.
2
Bono.
points by
Rebound.
number 24.
Inside
Junio.
pass. Reverse layup. Bucket. Beautiful shot.
0 Castillo intercepted by Ramos.
Stolen Ramos.
Ayun si
Ramos.
Lays up.
Minute bit. Lazy.
Ramos for
Bucket
2.
for Number 14. Dalangin. Ball stolen.
Intercepted by number 24.
Lumipad na. Yes, Antonio.
Pass to number
14. Dalangin for 3. Ban! 3. Number 22. Cortel. Picks. Kicks out. Wild open for 3.
Number 24. No good. Rebound. Castillo.
Inside pass. Nalalo pass. Yes, sir. Wild open. Impalo pass. Libre. Bakit?
Number 20 Mendoza for 2. Castillo.
Castillo. 3 versus 2. Libre. Easy to. Cortel.
Break.
Ipas. Inside pass. Easy bucket.
Ramos for 2.
Yun. Dunk na dunk.
Salpak na.
Boom!
Dunk na sana. Dinakdakan tuloy.
Boom! Ramos! Napilay pa yan! Nakadunk!
Partida. Nalimusot pa. Kay Ramos.
And... Boom! Congratulations!